Hi, my name is Kira McGing, and this is my e-portfolio for ESL Tech 2011. The first page you come to is the home page showing my most recent post. The next page you come to is a short introduction about myself. I am from Dublin, Ireland, but moved to Ohio in August to study and join the swim and dive team. I think I want to major in dietetics, but I am still undecided at the moment. After college, I would love to go backpacking, especially around South America and Australia, and maybe do some volunteer work. The next page is about the different learning technology tools I have discovered during this course. My favourite was definitely Trello, which I use on my laptop. It is a calendar program and super easy to update when you're working on many different assignments at once. The next one is OneNote. This is a note-taking app I use with the iPad. Although I'm pretty slow with the Apple Pencil still, it makes annotating lectures very easy. It's very similar to Notability. Study Scheduler is a super helpful phone app where you can schedule different events, whether that's studying for an exam or getting a paper in. It's very helpful as it sends you a notification before you're meant to start that subject. I learned a lot from this course. Before I started, I was quite disorganized and not very confident using technology, especially the iPad. My time management has improved dramatically. I have started to procrastinate less through the week, which has meant I have more free time at the weekends. The main thing that has helped is finding different study spots rather than my dorm, as I'm more productive. My favourite place at the moment seems to be the Union. We learned about SMART goals in the first few weeks of the course. They're slightly confusing to start with, but super helpful, especially when written at the start of semester and again after midterms. It helped me prepare for finals. Learning styles was the most interesting thing we learned about, and it changed my outlook and approach to studying, especially coming into finals next week. I learned that everyone learns through many different mediums and you can't just stick to one. The TED Talk I watched really opened my eyes to this. Thank you for watching and looking into my ESL 2011 portfolio.